I'm sure you had good bag. Wait, hold up, 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 wait. Welcome back to Revenue. Join me as I play the roll and save game to see how many envelopes I can cash stuff for my birthday next year. If you're new to this channel, we are all about savings. This is a savings channel. We are saving for our future. First, let me just explain that this binder here is my Spoil Her binder. It is dedicated to my birthday, which is next year, June 23rd. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the dice and let it tell me how much money I need to put in each envelope. And then we'll just go from there. So right now I have $15. So let me count this money and make sure it's accurate. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 that I'm going to cash stuff today. All right, so we're just going to jump right into it. So birthday is going to get $3. So we have 1, 2, 3. Next we have hair. Hair is going to get $6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next we have hygiene. Hygiene is going to get $1. Next we have miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is going to get $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we only have $1 left. So let's see if we can fill it in nails. We got the dollar. So nails is going to get $1. Okay, so now we're going to go to the front of the envelopes, count the money, and see how much we have overall. So now birthday has, let me see here, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2. So $63. I promise the next time you see another roll and save cash stuffing video, I will have condensed all of these ones, okay? Next we have hair. And hair has 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. $60 for hair. Now we have hygiene, and hygiene has, let's see, 20, 30, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Next we have miscellaneous, and miscellaneous has 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Next we have nails. And nails have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Next we have perfume. Perfume has 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Next we have self-care. Self-care has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. And lastly, we have shopping, and shopping has 21. Another thing I want to add is that I really don't have a specific order of how I put these envelopes in. Well, honestly, I put them in alphabetical order. So I did alphabetize them, you know, so that's why it's like B, H, H, M, N, P, S, S. And then I just went off of the next letter after the S to decide if I want self-care or shopping. And obviously E comes before H. So that's how I ended up putting the envelopes in as it pertains to the order. However, again, I can't stress this enough. I'm not concerned about, you know, if I'm not able to stuff all of the envelopes in one time, because again, all the money is going to come back to me anyways, right? So as long as I have money put up to the side for these specific things that I want to do or need to have for my birthday, I'm perfectly fine with it. But you know, hopefully I'm able to cash stuff a little bit more next time. Hopefully my amount can increase. Who knows? We'll see. But that is all for today. If you're into these type of videos where you're saving for your future, or if you're saving for your birthday next year, this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.